Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to put your SIM card and memory card into Oppo A38. So here is my phone and here is the box, and first just look inside the box because we need a pin to remove the SIM tray, and here there is. Now just put the box away. And with this pin, just look in the left side of your phone, and here is the SIM tray. Just put this pin here inside and now push it and remove the slot. Okay, and here there is. And here you can put two nano SIM cards and one memory SD card. And first I will put the SIM one. Okay, and this is the right position. Now let's put the second one. Okay, this is the right position. And the last one is the memory is SD card. And here is the right position. Okay, and now just put back the SIM tray into your phone like this and push it, and that's all. Now if you have a pin for the SIM card, just enter it. Mine I think is 40, and okay, and that's all. So it is very easy. Here there are SIM1 and SIM2. Okay, and now to remove the SIM cards and the memory SD card, just put again this pin, push it, and remove the SIM tray, remove the SIMs and the memory SD card, and put it back. So that's all. It is very easy. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.